of all, congratulations on winning the IKC 2014 award.
Thank you very much.
And I would like to know from you, how do you see the Indian appliance market, which we had in the presentation, the growing market? So, from a Whirlpool perspective, what are your plans and how do you see the industry growing?
Well, this industry, both the freestanding appliance industry and particularly the built-in appliance industry, both have opportunities. I would say the built-in appliance industry has enormous opportunities because we're seeing a segment of India's population wanting the very best of what is on offer. And we're seeing, therefore, a trend in modular kitchens. So if there is a trend in modular kitchens that is growing, it is very natural, therefore, that built-in appliances will follow. Because when people have modular kitchens, then they want built-in appliances, whether it's a refrigerator or it's ovens. So I see a huge opportunity in this whole entire segment of kitchens and kitchen appliances.
And could you elaborate on Whirlpool's plan for the coming year?
Well, at this point of time, we're doing two things. One is we're continuously expanding our range of products. So when we started off, there was, a dishwasher, ovens, and hobs and hoods. We started adding coffee makers. We added other stuff like a built-in refrigerator. So there is an expansion of the product range and increasing the choice within. So if you had 3 or 4 types of hoods, you have more now, or 3 or 4 types of hobs, you have more now. So within a category, there are more options, and there are expansions of different types of products. The other is developing partnerships. So we're developing a lot of partnerships with kitchen manufacturers. So every day, we want to add, we'd be happy if every week or every day we were able to expand the number of kitchen manufacturers. Because our entire strategy is to work with kitchen manufacturers. Built-in appliances come into play only when somebody's bought a kitchen. It doesn't work in isolation. So therefore, we are working with kitchen manufacturers across the country. And every day we want to expand and build relationships with and open up new outlets.
Could you share with us something on the expansion plans that you have and how are you targeting the retail segment? How are you retailing? Are you opting for franchises? Are you opening only your own company-owned stores?
Well, company-owned stores maybe very selectively because the primary objective is to, as I say, if you're building partnerships, you don't want to be in conflict with them. But so while we want to develop because we see partnerships with kitchen manufacturers as the most important thing. But there are some kitchen manufacturers that will display all your products, and there are some that will display a limited. So when you have your own exclusive store, it allows you to display everything. And therefore, if somebody's decided saying, I'm going to have a modular kitchen in any case, I'm going to buy it from manufacturer X, Y, or Z, but we can give them an opportunity to come and say that here, you can choose your kitchen from whoever you want to. But before you design that kitchen, think about whether you want a coffee maker. Think whether you want a built-in refrigerator. Think whether you want 2 ovens or just the microwave oven. Think whether you want a dishwasher or not. So we have all, in our own brand shop, you can have everything and you can give them an experience of the products. And then when they build their kitchen with whoever they choose to, they can know, therefore, they're already exposed to the range that we have.
So you have been throughout the day today. What is the one single factor or one single parameter that you liked about the today's?
Well, it's the first time that I've come to the India Kitchen function as a recipient of an award. What I liked is, in the beginning, I found that this is not just an opportunity for manufacturers and kitchen manufacturers and appliance manufacturers to come together, but I think there is a nice aspect of encouraging the youth or encouraging students. So there is a reach out that I think is happening to them that gives them a platform by which they can express their creativity. I think that was a great takeout from what I saw this evening. The fact is that India, it's still a very nascent market. We're having all sorts of things. We've got international brands of kitchens here, but it's still, in my opinion, if I have to say, use the expression, still largely scattered, a bit disorganized. I think a forum like this helps to bring different elements of this whole kitchen world, whether it's particle board manufacturers, whether it is fittings or components and hinges and and then appliances, and then the full kitchen people. So I think the lighting. So there's so many different elements when you think about a kitchen. You need a sink, you need lights, you need storage solutions, you need appliances. When all of this comes together, I think it makes for a happy mix, and I think that's what I found. So two things that stand out is that I think as this country evolves, because it's still very nascent, this whole industry, I think getting the entire community together will help in evolving this market. And I think the encouragement to the youngsters and students, I think, is a great thing.
As you look forward to the 5th edition of IKC 2015, I would like to know from you, what other factors should we include? What are the things that you look forward to in the next edition of IKC?
I don't know what I can add. I think maybe you've got the broad elements in place. Maybe you can add a lot more variety in the sense that you can add more options. I saw that there were a few appliance people here. There were a lot of wood people here. I'm not sure whether you can bring in designers here, because there is an aesthetic element to it. So I think you have already part of your sponsors, the Institute of Interior or Association of Interior Designers. But you have, if I was to come in here as a retail customer and I see an appliance, that's great. I see some lighting, it's great. But I need some expert to put it all together. It's either an architect or an interior designer or somebody. So maybe that element is perhaps something you could consider.
Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations for winning the
Thanks a
award.
lot. Thank you very much.
So much.